If you watch my videos regularly, you know how much I love my kebabs. Today I'm gonna share this Persian chicken kebabs recipe with you. These are called Koobideh, and I'm gonna make these in the air fryer, but you can make them in the oven or in a pan as well. I've got 1 kg of chicken keema here, and I've grated 1 large onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic. This is a teaspoon of saffron mixed in hot water, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, paprika, and I wanted to add some green, so I added some dried parsley and some salt, 2 egg yolks to go in, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything really well. Once the mixture was ready, I made some space with the spoon and placed a piece of foil in there, and then a coal that I heated up on the stove. Drizzle some oil and let this sit with the keema mixture for about 30 minutes. Get rid of the coal, and now the mixture is ready. Put some water on your hands or oil and make kebabs, and I'm just making 4 at the moment because I needed 4. You can make as many as you want. This mixture will give you about 12 to 14 kebabs easily. Once the kebabs were ready from one side, I flipped them, and then I added some frozen fries on the side because I love kebabs with fries. So I put them back in the air fryer, and once everything was ready, I just served them with some grilled onion and tomatoes.